Welcome to Moto channel. In this video I want to sharing about how to change smartphone adapter to 12 volt output. I have a smartphone adapter, and I will change ROM 5 volt to 12 volt. Let's open it carefully first. There are two components that we have to replace. The first is the zener diode and the next is the capacitor. We have to distinguish rectifier diodes and zener diodes. These are in 4148 direct diodes, not zener diodes. Remove capacitor and zener diode. This is zener diode, 5 volt, and I will replace it with a 12 volt zener dioda. This is capacitor, 10 volt, and I will replace it with a 50 volt capacitor. First I installed a 12 volt zener diode. I have prepared a USB connector and a 12 volt DC fan, to try the device. The adapter output issues a 12 volt DC. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because subscribe is free. See you at the next video.